The concept of superintelligence roughly means any kind of intellect that vastly outstrips anything that's possible for humans to do. It wouldn't just be a really clever human. It would be a large, by a huge amount, superior task. There wouldn't be a confusion about whether it really was very smart or not. It would be on a completely different level.
We obviously can't conceive of what a superintelligence might be able to achieve any more than a dog can appreciate quantum mechanics. But we can at least quantify things by thinking about computers. We can think about the processing power of computers and the kind of calculations they can do, the degree of complexity they can simulate. We know that over a few decades, computers have evolved from being able to simulate only very simple patterns to being able to create virtual worlds, as it were, with quite a lot of detail in them.
And if the computers in this new era are powerful enough, they will be able to simulate the events at the very start of our universe, to test the underlying principle that set our laws of nature so precisely, to play with the parameters of creation, to see what might evolve.
If that trend were to continue, then we can imagine computers which will be able to simulate worlds perhaps even as complicated as one we think we're living in. Of course, this raises a philosophical question: could we ourselves be in such a simulation? Could what we think is the universe be some sort of vault of heaven rather than a real thing?
In a multiverse, there would almost certainly be beings that have evolved intelligence way beyond ours, with the power to run immensely complicated simulations. Our whole universe could be one of those simulations. So where does that leave us?
In a sense, we could be ourselves the creations within this simulation, I suppose.